It was popping, que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I decided to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of a new camera that I actually recently got. Currently, I'm recording on my Canon Rebel EOS SL2, and I don't have any bad things to say about it. To be honest, I really do like the camera. The only problem I do have is the fact that it's pretty clunky. So carrying it around does become heavy after a while, so I wanted to get something that's going to be easier to kind of use, transport if I'm going on like vacations and stuff. I want to be able to vlog and show you guys those things, and I do have a vacation coming up in September, so I figured what better time to just get a new camera, get the one I've been looking at for so long, and just run with it. So currently this is the camera I'm using, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the new camera I just got. This isn't going to be a super long video, it's just going to be a quick unboxing. So if that is something that you guys would like to see, go ahead and keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright y'all, so the camera that I actually ended up getting is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. And I got it in this cool box, and basically this is the Dare to Dream video creator kit. I'm going to tell you why this is so much better to get than just getting the camera itself. So the camera itself ends up coming out to $599, so with tax it's going to be a good $600 and some odd dollars. This kit right here costs you $649. And I'm going to show you guys why it's so much beneficial to end up getting the camera, this kit in particular. So this kit actually comes with 3 extras that the actual camera in itself doesn't. So the camera starts off with a 32GB SanDisk memory card that you're going to end up having to use. Because let me tell you, keeping all this storage on a card is so beneficial, especially when you have to come back and review it and correct anything and create more content off of old stuff. It's so beneficial to have more than one memory card. So I definitely seen that as an advantage and thought that that was going to be a really dope idea. Next, we have the extra battery. So this came with an extra battery. Now this battery on its own is actually around $40. The SIM card was around $24.99, so $25. And then you have the Manfrotto tripod. So it's a mini tripod, so it's very useful to go ahead and vlog. There's a lot of YouTubers who actually use this mini tripod, and it seems so much easier to just go ahead and work with. Your hands fit comfortably. It's not like the other ones where they're a lot more crinkled. They kind of look like curly fries, I see. Like, I kind of think of it like that. So I'm really excited to just have gotten this alone. This on its own was around 30 some odd dollars, I believe. If not, I'll just put how much everything was down below anyhow. But the moment we all have been waiting for, the Canon G7X Mark II PowerShot. So, with the box, you open it up. It does give you a manual. And I'm saying a manual, not Emmanuel. It gives you a manual just to go ahead and read any functions that the camera itself has, just to better use it and be able to kind of just get started with everything. Comes with this Canon limited warranty little card. It also has this Canon online photo album where you can register, and it's up to 10 gigabytes of storage. And then on the back, it kind of just has a wireless help. So that's pretty cool. Now, when you open up the actual box, it kind of just looks like this. And inside, you're gonna find the charger, and then in here was the actual battery for the camera, but I figured I wanted to go ahead and play with it before I told you guys about it, so in a way it's kind of like an unboxing. So now this is the moment we have all been waiting for. this is the camera, and it comes as like this white paper type thing. This is the camera. And the best part about it is this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how everything looks. All right. And that is actually just showing the ring light right now, but this is a fairly smaller camera. It's much easier to just maneuver. When you turn it around, it looks like this, but when you actually have the... All right, so my camera kind of just went blank on me. So basically, the camera itself looks like this, where you kind of can just flip it out if you want. You kind of do this to it. You can kind of do that. But the best feature is when you can pull it up like this and shoot from this kind of angle. It is a lot easier to hold on to. I like the fact that you can literally just put it in your purse and run. I haven't, you know, experienced a lot with it, but I'm so excited because the way that the camera's lens make it look, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited to put it to good use. I really want to get some vlog content out to you guys, so I'm so excited. But it was just like a quick little unboxing for you guys, just to show you my new baby. And yeah, so I figured I'd start recording on this camera now, just to guys, you know, just to show you guys what the difference is from this camera to the new one. And so far so good. Everything seems so beautiful, so crystal clear. I love the resolution on this thing. It's just beautiful. I feel like it performs so well already. And then of course, my beautiful face. And I think that's like way too close. Oh my god, girl, back the hell up. Oh my god. There we go. And okay, so we're back. Now I look so wounded right now, so please don't judge me. Yeah, I look so crazy. Oh, ojeros, yes, no se ve bien. Oh my god. Pero sí, I am so excited to use this camera. I just washed my hair, so that's why it kind of just looks like this. I promise I'm beautiful. You know, it's okay. I'll tell myself I'm beautiful. This is my new camera. I just wanted to show you guys how it worked, what it looks like. Of course, I'm also going to show you how it looks on my other Canon camera, just to show you a more closer look. I keep looking at the top because I just want to see how it looks for myself. But I'm really excited to share that with you guys as well. Alright y'all, so that's going to actually go ahead and conclude this video. It was just a little short one just to let you guys know my new toy and how excited I am to go ahead and use it. So I hope you guys definitely enjoyed unboxing this with me, and just stay tuned for a couple more videos that I will be coming out with. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you liked the video, and see you in the next one. Bye!